Safest way to get home known to man? Ride in the back of the car.
Yeah.
It's only $400. Only.
So sentimental, not sentimental, no romantic, not disgusting yet. Darling, I'm when we're fortunate only. I'm looking for something.
Ronnie, you just made the shot. How do you feel?
Amazing.
We got those people clapping as soon as we made the shot. Jillian, how do you feel? We just made it.
I feel amazing.
Church chicken, everybody.